Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So you have to come first www.gigabyte.com. After that click on search and then enter the model number of motherboard Z590I space vision and D and then hit enter. After that click on the folder product, then click on the name of the title. Then click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 11, so all the installations process same. And guys, first download, after that I show you how to install. So for USB audio driver, so download this one. If you are not using USB driver, just install this one, DTS. You just click to download, installations process same, download process same. Okay, after that click on chipset. You can see here, so first require for your chipset this one and second one this one. So click to download and this is second one also. Then the LAN driver, you can see the LAN driver for the internet driver, ethernet driver same, just download it. This is download icon. After that VGA graphic and display driver same, just click to download. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, you can see the Bluetooth driver. I can click to download and same just like to Wi-Fi. After that clicked it, you can see it is start downloading in the download box. So click on this icons. After it open which folder where it is downloading. So wait few seconds, I show you how to installations. Just wait for it's complete. So this is your driver. Okay, so one by one just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract the all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click Run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install, okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed, and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed. Then this LAN driver. Then LAN driver. Open one by one, download and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next. Now this is installing driver. And then okay, and then finish it. Then back. Then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay, this is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then next, accept, installed. And then okay. Then last one, and this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Nothing. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next, and no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.